get people who give us shout outs, and you guys should do the same. If you ever see us out there filming, either at 79th, Boynton, or down at Black Point, make sure to look at the camera, give us a big Miami boat ramp shout out. The easiest way to make it on the channel. Whole lot easier than crashing that boat into a dock. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and as we mentioned, that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I am your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down at 79th. A little bit of a busy day. Our crew's getting a little frustrated. You can kind of see hands being tossed in the air as there's just jet skis everywhere. The jet ski rental companies have brought their stuff back in, and they are taking up almost every single dock right now. And this crew just would like to get in, and there's not a whole lot of openings. They're going to patiently wait for their shot. Here we go, making their approach in. And we've got a secondary crew coming right behind him, kind of pushing off into the trees a little bit. Bro, you're a little far back. Gonna just miss the bushes. Got Wifey in the bow, getting ready on the lines. So we're kind of gonna get a twofer here as we got both boats trying to set up. And our first crew, looks like they have some success. We've got a line on the dock. And here goes Cap, kind of making his approach. A little hesitant. He hit that throttle. I thought he was moving forward and then quickly backs out of it. Maybe he's waiting on Wifey to get the lines all set up. Now he's making his approach. Doesn't like something about the first approach and sees the camera, gives us that old Miami Boat Ramps wave. Junior in the bow does as well. Now the pressure's on, they know the camera's there. Now let me know in the comments below, is that really a Yamaha 150? Don't know why that's so popular in Miami to rate an engine what it's not. So our guy was coming in on 4, I think, but the ski drifting off of 5 has tossed him off, so he's going to go ahead and back off one more time. So our guy's going to push it back over, but he's kind of missed his window, and it looks like he's going to either have to go to 3 or completely readjust his approach. Coming around by the end cap. Wifey's going for the grab. He goes for the grab. He's still in gear. They've missed. He's either going to have to steer around or brake check. It looks like he's going to choose to continue to go forward. I'm not sure what was going on there. They both went for the grab, but the boat was in gear. No signs of slowing down. Maybe it really is a 150. Pushing some power past that dock. And here we go. They're going to have to reset up again. Let's see if this approach can be a little better. So he's going to come in at a little better line this time, at least. Is he leaving the helm? What is he doing? Cap left the helm to try and grab a line. Everybody looks tense now. Wifey in the back looks tense. Cap looks tense. I'm not. He's thinking about going for the leap. I think you're too far, bro. That's outside your skill level. And he's going to try and pass the line off to the ski. All right, so the ski's got him. Will they bring him back around? Oh, he's going on to the ski. Oh, quickly decides not. Wise decision. He was about to be taking a swim right there. Grabs the second line. Doesn't pass it to the ski either. He's just getting on. And here's the problem. The boat weighs a ton more than the ski. This is going to be a tricky pullover, guys. So they're trying to pull on the boat, but the boat's just pulling. Oh, my man's in the water. Man down. Man down. Our guy in the ski, I think, hit the throttle. My man wasn't holding on, and that boat just jerked him right back off. We kind of had to see this one coming. Unfortunately, this crew just was having a rough go of it from the beginning. But our guy will climb up the ski to get back onto this. And the good news is the boat's kind of been pulled over toward the dock as well. So that jerking motion from everything that went on did a good job of getting him back over. But man, I'll tell you what, we're going to have to go to the replay on this one so we can kind of get a better idea of exactly what all went on there. But there was a lot to enclose in just a few seconds. Here we go. So right here, our guy goes for the first step and quickly decides he's going to back off. We all know this is a terrible idea. Once one foot on the boat, one foot on something else never ends well. Quickly pulls back to the boat and decides, yeah, I'm not going to do that. But it gets a little worse as we go, as we already saw. And of course, this replay is sponsored by us. That's right, the Wavy Guru brand of channels sponsoring the replay. If you're ever interested in sponsoring our replay, hit us up at miamiboatramps@gmail.com, and we will let you know how you can be the sponsor of the replay. But he goes back on for the second grab here. They're pulling him, and none of this just looks good. I mean, as soon as they do the first pull, the boat drags the ski over. They almost take a dive right here. They're able to pull it back together, kind of regroup as they get close to the boat, and everything appears to be okay at this moment. But here's where it goes wrong. My man stands up, not really ready. Our guy on the ski is going to just lightly hit the throttle right here. You're going to see it. They're pulling, but throttle on the ski, and my man is taking that swim. Whew. Rough day on the water, but fortunately the good news is everybody appears to be okay. So that's always a good thing when we see stuff like this happen. But our crew looks like they're going to be able to button it up from here. Oh, it just stinks too, because the crew did the nice little wave to the camera guys. We really appreciate it, and it stinks knowing that they know this was caught on camera. But the good news is you're going to have these memories to cherish. You can come back here and watch it anytime. But this crew should be good to roll. And speaking of good to roll, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover. Remain a machine, take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.